Assalamu alaikum. Hi. Welcome to the MyGuru tutorial. For this time, I'll be focusing on how to use web conferencing in MyGuru. Web conferencing is a platform where the lecturer and students can meet up online. After successful login to MyGuru, choose a course. In this example, I choose this biology course. In the course dashboard, look on the left panel and click Web Conferencing. For your information, the student's email address is provided for you to invite. The email is in MyGuru UPSI mail. You can just copy it and paste it into the selected platform. MyGuru gives you 4 options to choose from. You can choose whether to use Google Meet, Cisco WebEx, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom. Now, I will show you how to insert or change the invitation link. First, click this yellow button. Instruction on how to create a link is already given on every platform. You just click and read through the instruction. When you have the link, just paste it here and click Change. When everything is ready, you click to start class now to begin the class. Next, I will show you the attendance record of your student. First, select a group. All your class history with a selected group will be listed here. You also can upload the recorded video of your previous class. Click the pencil icon, insert the link of the video, then click Submit. This yellow button is used to transfer attendance records to the attendance system. If data is successfully transferred, it will turn to a blue button with the message transferred. If you click the attendance list button, you will see all students that have attended the class on the selected date. You have always reminded your students that attendance will only be recorded in MyGuru if only they join the class through MyGuru. I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching.